Hello everyone, I'm Tommy with Studio Sense. Today I'm going to bring you a first impressions video of a brand new 2020 release, Dolce & Gabbana's K Eau de Parfum. Now, Dolce & Gabbana K Eau de Toilette has been out for about a year now. Kind of surprised me that they followed up with an Eau de Parfum. So when we return, we're going to go over those notes, kind of compare it to the Eau de Toilette, see if it's something that you must have in your rotation or you can live without, that and more, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back. So back in 2019, Nathalie Lorson and Daphne Bouget, two perfumists, female perfumists, or noses as they're called, got together and they created Dolce & Gabbana K Eau de Toilette. Now, K Eau de Toilette was released to kind of mixed reviews. Some reviewers kind of liked it, some didn't like it at all. I know my good friend Ash from GentSense didn't really care for it. Personally, I liked it, and I still like it. I think it's kind of like one of those fragrances that are reminiscent of a fresh laundry fragrance or somewhat of a fresh kind of semi-soapy fragrance. It's pretty much your standard fare when it comes to blue fragrances, except it's got a focus on juniper berry, that bracing juniper berry, with a fresh laundry take on that note. I like the crown, of course. I made the joke when I did the review of this that, my last name is King and crown K for king, right? So yeah, above and beyond that coincidental customization there's not really a ton to promote itself. So when Dolce & Gabbana released the Eau de Parfum version of K, I was quite surprised. So today we're going to take a closer look at Dolce & Gabbana K Eau de Parfum. Yes, this is my sample. Probably going to waste the whole bottle here for you today, if you can call a sample a bottle, a vial. So the categorization is spicy, woody, aromatic. So I thought it would be nice for those interested to do a little bit of a note comparison as to what's in the EDT version and what's in the Eau de Parfum version. So in K Eau de Toilette, in the top, you've got blood orange, Sicilian lemon, juniper berry. And in K Eau de Parfum, you also have blood orange, Sicilian lemon, juniper berry with the addition of cardamom. So you got a nice sweet cardamom in the top there. The Eau de Toilette in the heart has chili, provincial lavender, geranium, clary sage. Also in the Eau de Parfum, you've got chili, provincial lavender, clary sage, geranium with the addition of fig milk and some other additional spices in the heart as well. So it's spicing it up a little bit, sweetening it up a little bit, at least in the open. So let's check out that base. So the Eau de Toilette in the base has cedarwood, vetiver, and patchouli. The Eau de Parfum also has cedarwood, vetiver, and patchouli with the addition of nagarmatha, or really what's known as cypriol or cypress or nutgrass. Nutgrass adds kind of a dark, slightly resinous addition to the already powerful base, giving it a little bit deeper, richer, fuller body. So that's what we have to look forward to in this. Let's go ahead and bust it open and try it out on a strip. DolceandGabbanaBeauty.com is what's on the side of the atomizer. As you can see, it's got that dark blue color and it's got K, Dolce & Gabbana, and Eau de Parfum. Actually a nice little atomizer for a sample. Alright, so similar to the recently released Eros, it's a true Eau de Parfum of the original Eros Eau de Toilette. This is the same case with the Eau de Parfum version of K. They've smoothed out the DNA quite a bit. This is obviously the original. It's a true Eau de Parfum. It's the same DNA, same formula, only a little bit more refined and a little bit more modern. Exactly, literally exactly what they did with Eros from Eau de Toilette to Eau de Parfum, only they didn't wait as long. Just a year went by from Eau de Toilette to Eau de Parfum. I really like this. I'm gonna try it out on skin now. I think skin tells the better story. Yeah, so I'm gonna give that a shot. Based on today's first impression, I'm actually gonna buy K Eau de Parfum. So what they've done is they've really refined the formula. So let's go over some of the additions that weren't in the original Eau de Toilette. So in the top, you've got cardamom. It's kind of a green, creamy, sweet essence or body to it. So that is the addition to the top of this, which makes a huge difference in the open of K Eau de Parfum. However, primarily what I'm interested in honing in on is that fig milk in the heart, in the same line of thinking in terms of neutralizing something from being too powerful. Fig milk can be used in fragrance to do the same thing. K, the Eau de Toilette, although I really like it, I think I even mentioned in a video once that the longer that I wore it, there was just something about it. Has actually been completely eliminated with the addition of that fig milk and the additional spices in the heart. Now, of course, in the base, it is slightly different. You also have that Nagarmatha or Cypriol or nut grass that makes it a little bit more refined, smooths it out a little bit, makes it deeper and richer. It really actually accompanies the blood orange and makes it darker, richer, and slightly a little bit sweeter, as we're all looking to eau de parfum to make, especially if it's a true eau de parfum, to take the original DNA and original formula, mature it up a little bit, refine it a little bit, take the rough edges off of that DNA and that scent profile. And I think Dolce & Gabbana has done a fantastic job with K Eau de Parfum, and they've done just that. So for those of you that did not like the original Eau de Toilette, I would suggest that you try the Eau de Parfum. Get a sample, of course, first. Right now, you don't want to buy at full retail because it's going to be $100 or a little bit more depending upon the department store that you get it from. It is definitely not available at retailers or outlet stores or discounters yet, so you want to wait on that. Even if you absolutely loved K, you definitely want to wait on it to hit discounters before you purchase it. I don't necessarily recommend buying at full price unless you just have the income to burn, and then, well, there you go. That's what I call an HQP, a higher quality problem. I'm actually impressed. I really like where it's going. It dries down to be super masculine and pleasant, and again, that unpleasant sharpness that it had before in the Eau de Toilette that I noticed after wearing it for a while is completely eliminated, has been neutralized or taken away by the addition of that fig milk, the cardamom, the additional cypriol or nut grass, and it's really, really a refined, nice, true eau de parfum to add to your collection or rotation, and I'm looking forward to adding it to mine. Well guys, that's it for my first take, first look, overview, or impression of Dolce & Gabbana K Eau de Parfum. It is a true eau de parfum with just a few additions to the actual DNA or scent profile, so if you liked the original, you'll likely really like the eau de parfum. Again, I would recommend, unless you just have that disposable income to burn, to wait until it hits discounters or outlets before you actually purchase it at full retail price, which is what it's going for right now. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video today. As always, thank you so much for your support on my channel. I'm Tommy with Studio Sense, and I'll see you next time.